London, the sprawling metropolis that stands at the confluence of history and modernity, is a city that breathes with a vibrant pulse. Nestled along the sinuous curves of the River Thames, its skyline is a testament to the passage of centuries, where sleek glass skyscrapers share the horizon with iconic structures that whisper tales of ages long past. At the heart of London lies its historic core, a patchwork of cobblestone streets and regal squares. The air is redolent with the echoes of centuries, as stately architecture stands as a living homage to the city's storied past. The Tower of London, a sentinel on the banks of the Thames, bears witness to a history steeped in royalty and intrigue. Cobblestone streets wind through neighborhoods like Covent Garden and Soho, each corner echoing with the footsteps of literary giants, artists, and revolutionaries who have left their indelible mark. The city's pulse quickens as one ventures into the bustling West End, where the marquee lights of theaters illuminate the night. Here, the magic of the stage unfolds nightly, drawing crowds to witness world-class performances that define London as a global hub for culture and the arts. From the iconic Globe Theatre to the grandeur of the Royal Opera House, London's stages are a celebration of creativity that transcends time. As day gives way to night, the cityscape transforms into a twinkling panorama. The London Eye, a modern marvel on the South Bank, offers a bird's-eye view of the illuminated city below. Across the river, the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben stand as guardians of tradition, their silhouettes etched against the night sky. Yet London's allure extends beyond its historical veneer. The city is a kaleidoscope of cultures, a melting pot where diversity is celebrated in the form of culinary delights, vibrant neighborhoods, and a rich tapestry of languages. Borough Market, with its eclectic array of global flavors, epitomizes this culinary mosaic, inviting visitors to embark on a gastronomic journey around the world. London's green lungs, such as the expansive Hyde Park and the botanical wonders of Kew Gardens, provide respite from the urban hustle. Here, amidst the rustling leaves and blossoming flowers, one can momentarily escape the ceaseless rhythm of city life, transported by the iconic red double-decker buses and the ceaseless flow of the underground. Londoners navigated the city with an effortless elegance. Black cabs weave through the traffic, carrying stories from one corner of the city to another, their drivers serving as modern-day storytellers. In the ever-evolving tapestry of global cities, London remains a mosaic of tradition and innovation. It is a city where time-honored landmarks stand shoulder to shoulder with cutting-edge architecture, and where the echoes of the past harmonize with the rhythms of the present. London, in all its grandeur, is an invitation to explore, a city that unfolds its secrets with each step along its storied streets.